Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class, Chapter 9 Matrices, the continued part of exercise 9b. Question number 7. In this question, it is said that given A is equal to minus 3, 6, 0, minus 9, we need to find the transpose of matrix A, that is A dash, rewrite the rows into columns. Observe the given question here. The first row elements are minus 3 and 6. Rewrite it as first column in the transpose minus 3, 6. And 0 minus 9 are the elements in second row. Write it as second column, that is 0 minus 9. Hence the transpose of matrix A, or it is also called as A dash, the elements are minus 3, 0, 6, minus 9. With these two matrices A and A transpose, let us solve the sub questions. In the first sub question, it is asked to calculate 2A plus 3A transpose. So 2 into matrix A, multiply the elements of matrix A by 2 and plus multiply the elements of transpose of matrix A by 3, then add both the matrices by adding the corresponding elements. Let us proceed here. 2 into matrix A plus 3 into transpose of matrix A. Multiply the elements. 2 minus 3 is minus 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 zeros are 0, 2 into minus 9 is minus 18, plus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 into minus 9 is minus 27. As it is plus in between and both the matrices are of the same order 2 by 2 and hence they are the square matrices. Let us add the corresponding elements. Minus 6 plus of minus 9 is minus 15, 12 plus of 0 is 12, 0 plus 18 is 18, minus 18 plus of minus 27 is minus 45. Let us move on to sub question 2. In the sub question 2, it is asked to calculate 2 into transpose of matrix A minus 3 into matrix A. Method is same. Do the same. First write down the corresponding elements. 2 into the transpose of matrix A minus 3 into transpose of 3 into matrix A. Let us do the multiplication first. 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. Keep minus as it is, multiply only with number 3, do not multiply with the sign. Keep minus sign as it is, multiply the elements with 3. 3 into minus 3, minus 9, 3 into 6, 18, 3 zeros are 0, 3 into minus 9, minus 27. Now subtract the corresponding elements. Minus 6 minus of minus 9 is 3. 0 minus 18 is minus 18. 12 minus 0 is 12. Minus 18 minus of minus 27 is 9. Let us move on to sub question 3. Half of matrix A minus 1/3 of transpose of matrix A. Half into matrix A means multiply all the elements of matrix A by 1 by 2. That means here minus 3 into 1 by 2 is minus 3 by 2, 6 into 1 by 2 is 3, 0 into 1 by 2 is 0, minus 9 into 1 by 2 is minus 9 by 2. Similarly, 1 minus keep as it is, 1 by 3 into transpose of matrix A. Multiply all the elements by 1 by 3. Minus 3 into 1 by 3 is minus 1. 0 into 1 by 3 is 0, 6 into 1 by 3 is 2, minus 9 into 1 by 3 is minus 3. Now let us subtract the corresponding elements. Minus 3 by 2 minus of minus 1. First element. Do the calculation in the margin, take out the LCM, hence solve and write down the answer as minus 1 by 2. Next, second element. 3 minus 0 is 3. Third element, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. And the fourth element, minus 9 by 2 minus of minus 3 is minus 3 by 2. Even the fourth element, we have the subtraction of a fraction and a number. So do the calculation in the margin by taking LCM, simplify it and write down the solution as the fourth element. In the fourth sub question, it is asked to calculate transpose of matrix A minus 1 by 3 into matrix A. So first write down the transpose of matrix A, all the elements, minus 1/3 of matrix A. Multiply all the elements of matrix A by 1 by 3. So minus 3 into 1 by 3 is minus 1. 6 into 1 by 3 is 2. 0 into 1 by 3 is 0. Minus 9 into 1 by 3 is minus 3. Now subtract the corresponding elements. Minus 3 minus of minus 1 is minus 2. 0 minus 2 minus 2. 6 minus 0 6. Minus 9 minus of minus 3 is minus 6. By this we have completed question number 7. Let us move on to question number 8. Refer your textbook for the question, children. Matrix A and matrix B are given. We need to solve for the matrix X on a condition. The first condition, X plus 2A is equal to B. So we know matrix A, we know matrix B, we need to find the matrix X. So let us rewrite the equation in such a way that we need matrix X. So X is equal to B minus 2A. Write down the elements of B minus of 2 into matrix A. In the first step, multiply all the elements of matrix A by 2, and in the second step, subtract the corresponding elements of B and 2A. That is 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 1 minus of minus 4 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. Similarly, second sub question, it is 3x plus b plus 2a is equal to 0. Then 3x is equal to minus 2a minus b. As we have minus in the beginning, let us multiply with minus 2 all the elements. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. Minus the elements of B. Do the subtraction. Minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 minus of minus 1 is minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now this is the elements of matrix for 3x. But we need to find x. What to do? The solution obtained matrix into 1 by 3. That means to say, multiply all the elements by 1 by 3, or in other way, multiply all the elements, divide all the elements by 3. That is, minus 4 into 1 by 3 is minus 4 by 3. Minus 1 into 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 is 1. 3 gets cancelled. Minus 1 into 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. Let us move on to sub question 3. It is said that 3a minus 2x is equal to x minus 2b. First, let us write the equation in a proper manner. 3a plus 2b is equal to, shift minus 2x from left hand side to right hand side. It results as 2x plus x, that is 3x. Hence 3x is equal to 3a plus 2b. In the first step, substitute the value of matrix A and matrix B and do the multiplication of multiply all the elements of matrix A by 3 and multiply all the elements of matrix B by 2. Hence add these two matrices to obtain the values of 3x. In the similar way, like how we did the previous sub question, x will be equal to the matrices by elements what we have obtained into 1 by 3. Hence the resulting matrix X will be 7 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 4 by 3 and 2 by 3. Question number 9. In question number 9, it is said that M and N are two matrices. It is a column matrix, that means 2 rows, 1 column. We need to show that 3M, that is 3 multiplied with matrix M plus 5n, 5 multiplied with matrix n. Let us observe over here, 3 into m, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, plus 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0. Add these two elements now, 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 0 is 3. Hence, the sum of matrices 3m plus 5n is equal to 5 by 3. Hence, it is proved. In a similar way, question number 10. In question number 10, it is said that if I is the unit matrix of order 2 by 2, we don't know what is I, but it is said that I is a matrix, unit matrix. Try to remember what is a unit matrix. Unit matrix is a diagonal matrix in which its principal diagonal elements are 1. So now we need to find out matrix M. The first equation is given as M minus 2I is equal to 3 into minus 1, 0, 4 and 1. First let us rewrite in the equational form. M is equal to 3 into the given matrix plus minus 2I, when it is shifted it becomes 2I. We know what is the value of I, which is defined in the question, that I is a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. So write down the elements of I as 1, 0, 0, 1 and hence proceed with the calculation. Therefore, the value of M, the matrices M will be equal to minus 1, 0, 12 and 5. In the sub question 2, it is said to calculate matrix M only, but the condition is 5M plus 3I is equal to 4 into multiplied by a given matrix. Similar manner you proceed, children. Keep 5M as it is plus 3I, when it is shifted it will be minus 3I. I is a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. So hence write down I as 1, 0, 0, 1. You can find out now this is the principal diagonal where all the elements are 1. Then we can call this matrix as unit matrix. So unit matrix is a diagonal square matrix where the principal diagonal elements are 1. First do the multiplication, then subtract the corresponding elements, and hence to obtain the matrix M, divide all the elements by 5 so that M will be equal to 1, minus 4, 0, minus 3. Question number 11. It is given that if 1, 4, minus 2, 3 plus 2M is equal to 3 into the given matrix, we need to find the matrix M. Proceed in the similar way, children. As I need M, let me keep 2M as it is. On the right hand side, multiply this 3 into the given matrices. It results as 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 0s are 0, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus of the first matrix, what we have here, 1, 4, minus 2, 3, shifted from left hand side to right hand side. So it will be minus of the matrix what was on the right hand side. Now subtract the corresponding elements, and in the next step divide all the elements by 2 or multiply the elements by 1 by 2. So hence the matrix M will be equal to 4, 1, 1, minus 6. By this we have completed all the problems of exercise 9B, children. Problems are very much simple. The main concept which you need to keep in your mind is the order and the elements. Do not make mess up while adding or subtracting the corresponding elements. Identify and do the calculation with the corresponding elements itself. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.